Hi and welcome to Rainbow Unicorn Cat One channel. In this video, I'll be unboxing this year's Christmas outfits. The girl's sweater dress, which is called Crimson Sparkle Sweater Dress, is a part of the collab with Something Navy. And the boy's outfit is called Pop of Plaid Holiday Outfit, is not a collab with Something Navy. But honestly, they look like they're part of the same line. And the sweater dress doesn't really look like the rest of the Something Navy collab, so I decided to unbox them together. These are this year's Christmas outfits, like American Girl makes every year. Each of them retails at $40. And before we get to unboxing, if you are new to this channel and interested in all American Girl related content, but not yet subscribed to our channel, I definitely recommend doing so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. I'm going to start with the boy outfit. I really like it. As soon as the first image of this outfit leaked, I knew I would love this outfit, and I actually do. It's really cute in real life. And when I first saw it at American Girl Place NYC, I wasn't disappointed at all. First of all, I really love this vest. And it's kind of simple. It has pattern on it. You can see it's really cute. I love the color. It's very Christmassy, and I know some people said they would prefer a different color, maybe green, because we didn't have anything like that, but I'm cool with red this year. The buttons are real. You can unbutton it. I was wondering if this vest can be worn two ways, like, you know, some of them can be reversible, and it sort of is, but not really. You can still see the seams. You see it's finished, right? So like you wouldn't be able to button it up, but it's all finished. So I'm really impressed with the quality, and for $40, I think it's everything I expected. You see the back of the vest doesn't have the pattern like the front does, but that's pretty standard for human vests too. Here's a closer look at the pattern. I like how it's just not plain red, how it has some pattern in it. The shirt, perfectly tailored, no issues at all, very nice, good quality. It doesn't feel cheap. It feels like it's well made, and the fabric is good quality fabric. The buttons are real. You can unbutton it, and this is just such a good piece to wear for girls with a lot of outfits, for boys, whoever you want. The cuffs are well made. The collar is well made. Again, I paid $40 for it, and I'm totally cool with the price. Very versatile piece, very mix and matchable. All right, so what's next? The pants. Also, pants are kind of plain. It's really the vest and the scarf that make this outfit, in my opinion. Okay, so these are the pants. They are a little bit stretchy, but not too stretchy. Oh, the pockets are real. I was not expecting that. This is really impressive. Yeah, you know how American Girl mostly does everything decoratively. You see inside everything's finished, everything's nice. I love these pants. They open in the front with a velcro where usually a zipper would be. The back pockets are not real, but I wasn't expecting for them to be real. Like, I'm really impressed with the front pockets. Everything is just really nice. Oh yeah, the shoes. I'm also impressed with the shoes. They look pretty detailed. They made out of faux leather, and they look so realistic. Like the lace shoelaces, they fixed somewhere inside so you don't really see it, but they look really nice. This is the quality we want from American Girl. I just want to praise them when they deserve the praise, and this is the case. Everything about this outfit is awesome. I love the shoes. American Girl, please keep making the same quality stuff. And the socks. The socks are pretty standard black socks. I don't really have much to say about it. The bow tie. I love bow ties for boys, and it just puts you in a festive mood. You see, it's kind of, the fabric is different from the vest. I don't know how to describe it. It's a little bit like Dupioni silk, but not much. Maybe taffeta. And the scarf. Now, the scarf is cute, and it's such a small accessory that makes all the difference. It kind of makes this outfit pop, and it doesn't cost much. So whoever designed this outfit this year did a fantastic job. Like, I love everything about it. Like I said, if you ask me whether you should buy this outfit or not, I'm going to tell you buy it. If you like how it looks, if you like the colors, you will not be disappointed by the quality. So here's one of our boys modeling this. And I think I'm going to keep him like this until Christmas. I really, really like how he looks in it. It's just, you know, such a classy outfit. It will look good on any doll. And I was thinking that a girl doll can wear it too. It doesn't really matter. It's, you know. All right, next we're going to unbox this sweater dress outfit. And I wasn't sure if I was going to like it. It would really depend on what it looks like and feels like in real life. And there's some things that I'm not super crazy about. All right, first of all, this bag. I do like this bag, and it's made out of red vinyl with shiny things in it, and I feel like American Girl has a huge stockpile of that material because they've made several accessories from this exact material. I remember they made shoes. I remember they made a bag, at least one bag. Anyway, there are these boots that are nice. They're black. They have this little strappy detail to make them a little different, not too plain. They are nice. They open in the back to put them on the doll's feet easily. Yeah, this is what they look like from each side. No issues with the shoes. The dress. Now the moment of truth, because I wasn't really sure if I was going to get it until I saw it at the store. I bought both of these outfits at the store. So the dress is nice. I like the cable knit pattern. The knit part has red sparkly thread in it. And sometimes you can't see it in the pictures online, but it does. And I wish it didn't. I also wish these were two separate pieces, a skirt and a sweater, so I could use the sweater for my boys or for different outfits. But it's really nice as it is. Okay, you see the sparkly thread. It's right there, right there. It's still very nice. And the pattern, I really love the pattern. I do love cable knit sweaters. And this design is overall really, really nice. And it's not something super original, but it's just very classy. Something that's going to look great 10 years from now. Okay, and let's take a look at the skirt. So the top layer is knit. And it's kind of weird pattern. I don't know how to knit that. Let me know in the comments if you're a knitter and if you know the name of this particular pattern, because I'm kind of really curious. So the bottom layer is this fabric, and then there are 1, 2, 3, 4 layers of mesh fabric. The skirt is very full. You see, it's like a full circle if you open it. And I actually had a little bit of an issue when I put it on a doll. It kind of was trying to go up and show my doll's underwear to everyone. But that's all fixable. You just kind of like shape it. Okay, the headband. It's very simple. Has a bow on top. I'm not crazy about the bow. This is the kind of material that to me looks cheap. I wish they used something else. Maybe something that they used for the boy's bow tie. But it is what it is, and it's still nice. And the socks are red to match the outfit. Very simple socks. I think Molly had red socks like this. But yeah, nothing too special. So let me know in the comments what you think about this outfit and if you're planning to get it. I'm still considering buying the rest of something navy collab. I do have my rewards ready, so I might spend them on the rest of it. Or the Trolls collab. Well, actually, the Trolls collab is what I'm probably going to get. Anyway, let me know in the comments if you like this outfit and if you're planning to get it. And of course, if you have any questions, always don't hesitate to ask me in the comments. I try to answer all the comments, and thank you guys for supporting our channel. I really appreciate it. I think these two look fantastic together. They really do look like they are part of the same collection. Let me know in the comments if you get in either of these outfits or both. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you enjoy all American Girl content but not yet subscribed to our channel, I definitely recommend doing so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.